For this tutorial, you just need any yarn, any hook, hair tie, tapestry needle, and polyfill is optional unless you're doing the 3D star. Okay, to begin, we're gonna do a slip knot and attach it to the scrunchie, then do 40 half double crochets around the hair tie. Then we're going to slip stitch into that first chain. Just chain one. We're going to place one half double crochet in the next 5 stitches, then a increase. Five. So then we're going to increase into this one here. Then we're going to continue that all around. And we're going to place one half double crochet in the next 6 stitches, then an increase. And at this round, you would need 50 stitches exactly. Then slip stitch. And then chain one. Then for this next round, we'll start working on the star points. So then we're gonna do switch to single crochets in the next 10 stitches. Then we're just going to be decreasing every row. So you can decrease by either chain one and then do a single crochet decrease like this, pull up one, pull up another, then decrease like that, then work your way. Or you can decrease just by skipping that first chain and just going single crocheting into that next chain over. Whichever you find is easier for yourself. Now you're supposed to have 9 stitches. And then once you get to just one single crochet, we're gonna place like a double crochet for like an extra pointy points. And just chain one, and then we're just gonna single crochet all the way down the side. So then to move on to the next one, I just go over to the next stitch, count 10 again. This is minimal sewing, weaving in ends. So when you are single crocheting on the sides, you want to go on the side that is empty. Instead of going back down this way, I will go down this way to start my next star point. So yeah, I'm finishing this up right now. And literally that's the end of this, like the 2D flat joint. You know, you just literally, when I said I was trying to make this as minimal, literally only sewing in like 2 things, cutting it off, you know, barely did. I meant that, okay? Because I am the type to just leave those ends be and just hope nobody see them, okay? So then I'm gonna do it on this side. But yeah, so if you're done with the 2D, if you want to check out the rest, you know, kind of watch the video to the end, y'all, please. But yeah, no, if you don't mind sitting through, it's not, I try not to make my tutorials too long because I know me and my attention span. So, you know, I just like to get straight to the point. So that's what we do over here, or try to. And then, bam. So we got the final product of the 2D star, but give you a little something like this. You know, 5 of these, and I'll show you that really quick, and then sew it all together to get the little golden star. 10 individually, then go back and single crochet. I like to do the foundation single crochet. So you chain 2, then you go in, then you pull up like that, then pull up through 2. So once you have 10 chains, then you're just gonna chain 1, decrease, just how like we did on the star originally. Just decrease in the beginning of each row until you reach the top, and that's when we place a double crochet. After you have 5 of these, we're gonna attach them with half double crochets. Attach to one of the corners. So when I do get to this last one, I'm gonna complete it on the next one, so it's not like that and then that, then it's this weird little thing. I'm trying to make them as close as possible. So like a decrease essentially. So we're gonna place these 2 half double crochets in the decrease all the way around. I'm actually finish it up this round, 2, then a decrease. So then at the end of this round, then you just want to slip stitch, chain 1, And then we're just gonna place 1/2 double crochet, then a decrease, go ahead, fasten off. You can leave a long tail to when you're sewing in the middle here. Attach your 2 stars together. I would just single crochet all around. You can just honestly tuck those ends in. And at the tip, you want to add like 2 single crochets so it can keep that pointiness, that roundness to get to the other side. But I tucked in all my other ends as I went. This is a long tail we have, so but I tucked in all my other ends as we went around, single crocheting up. So this is what we have. So I got my polyfill, scrap yarn, whatever you got. Let's get to it. Is your final product as you saw in the beginning. Thank you for watching.